if you want to examine stratified squamous epithelium with thick keratin, you can use a section from the footpad of a dog, such as this one. So under 40x magnification, so we can already see the stratified squamous lining epithelium, which is from here to here. And the basement membrane is seen in this area. And the stratified squamous epithelium is until this part. And from this part to this part, this would be your thick keratin. If we zoom in, we can see the flattened cells at the topmost layer, as well as the keratinized cells in the keratin layer. So this area is already a different type of tissue. It is connective tissue, to be specific.